How to activate the OCR feature, Premium Plans. This guide will teach you how to activate the OCR feature. Step 1. Sign in your CustomGPT account. Step 2. Access Project Settings. Click on the Project Settings option. Step 3. Access the Data Settings. Click on Data. Then click on Upload. Step 4. Upload your scanned documents or images. On the Document section, click in the middle of the box to upload your scanned documents or images. Step 5. Enable OCR, Premium Plans only. At the bottom of the page, look for the OCR feature. If you have a premium plan, you will have the option to toggle the OCR feature to On. Enabling this feature activates the OCR functionality for your uploaded data. Step 6. Submit your documents. Click on Add Files. Congratulations! You have successfully activated the OCR feature. Your account is now configured to process data using OCR technology.